Hi friends, today we will learn how to check and change the power of Sky Radio remote control on the site. Today we have Sky Radio remote which is used in overhead crane or EOT crane operations. So now we will see how to check the Sky Radio remote control's present power value. This is our Sky Radio remote 402 double step push button. This is our EMS button which is used to stop any operations commanded by remote. This is our push button 2 and 6 which we are going to use. Now we will see step 1. Firstly, remove the battery. Press the EMS button and reinsert the battery by pressing 2 and 6 together to enter power mode. After inserting the battery, we shall see S1 and S2 will start blinking green and red 3 times alternatively, and S2 will blink red 5 times. Now we will move to step 2. We are supposed to press button 2 to see the present power value, where S1 denotes tens digit and S2 denotes unit digit. We have already set 28 as the present power value for our transmitter. Now we will see how to check. Press button 2. After pressing button 2, S1 which denotes tens digit will blink green twice, and S2 which denotes unit digit will blink red 8 times in a loop. So this way we can check our remote or transmitter present power value. Now we will see how to change the power on site. In step 1, remove the battery and press emergency stop button. After that, press button 1 and 5 simultaneously while inserting the battery. As we insert battery, LED S1 and S2 shall blink green and red 3 times alternatively, and later S1 will blink green 5 times. In step 2, we have to press button 2. After pressing button 2, S2 will blink red 5 times and power change mode will get activated. To change power, we will use button 3 and 4, where button 3 denotes tens digit and button 4 denotes units digit. To save the power value setting, we will press button 6. Now we will set power 28. For that, press button 3 2 times and button 4 8 times. Press button 6 to save the power value. As we save the power value, S1 will blink green 2 times and S2 will blink red 8 times in loop. Like this, we can change our Sky Radio remote control transmitter's power. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share